This shop made over $100,000 last year just by selling AI-generated art. Not revenue, it's pure profit. The best part? You can start this business from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free. The process is very simple. We'll start by creating the art using Leonardo AI. It works by entering a prompt, and in seconds, it will generate your unique AI art. Once the image is ready, we'll package it into a nice-looking listing and post it for sale online, then wait for the sales to come in. The best part about this business model is that there's no need to worry about shipping or handling. It's all digital. Once a customer buys the art, they can instantly download it, and the money is automatically added to our account. That's why it's the easiest way to make money, even when you sleep. But before we start making a lot of art that doesn't sell, let's first check out what's actually selling right now. Let's take a look at this shop called Antique White Art. They're selling Halloween-themed art, which makes sense with Halloween just around the corner on October 31st. Now's the perfect time to jump on this trend. Let's check out how much they're making using this tool. Ooh, they're making over $16,000 each month. That's insane. Now let's search for the keyword Halloween art. As you can see, all of these artworks have tags like best-selling, which means they're riding the viral wave. If you're watching this after Halloween, no worries. Just check what they're selling now and follow that trend. This shop always stays on top of what's hot, or simply go to the review section, filter by the most recent ones, and you'll see the art that's selling right now. Now, I want you to choose 3 to 4 pieces of art from this trend. We'll use them to generate prompts to create similar art. Put them into ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 prompts that describe these images. Once we have the art prompts, let's generate it on Leonardo AI. You don't need to use the paid plan because the feature we need is available on the free plan. If your credits run out, simply create a new account to get unlimited credits. Click here on image creation, then choose the cinematic style. For the image dimensions, set it to 3 to 4, which is the best aspect ratio for art. Now enter your prompt and click Generate. Wait for the images to be created. Ooh, this looks even better than the art that has sold more than 4,000 copies. Now let's apply the same process to all the prompts and download the images. You can ask ChatGPT for more prompts if you like, but we'll stick with these images for now. As you can see, all the images that sell well are displayed in cool mockups. This proves that mockups help buyers visualize the product in real life. It's easy to create. You don't need any experience in image editing. Just go to Canva and search for art mockup. You'll find a lot of mockups there that we can use. Choose some of the mockups from 4 to 5, as those images will be displayed in the product listing on Etsy. Then upload all your images and simply drag them into the mockups you chose. Look at that. It looks amazing. It's time to go ahead and create our shop. In this step, we won't focus on any other online platform for selling art because Etsy is the best place with over 423 million visitors last month. Before creating our shop, we need a name and logo. Don't worry, I'm Mr. AI Cash, not Mr. Beast. Everything I create is with AI tools. So let's head over to Namelex to choose our name, answer a few questions to let it know what type of name we need, and just like that, we get professional names. I like this one, LuxArt. For the logo, we can use Copilot or Leonardo AI. Let's give them the same prompt and see which one gives us the best logo. Here's the prompt if you want to use it. All the results look cool, but I think this one will be our logo. Download it and let's set up our Etsy shop.
Are you ready?
First, if you don't have an Etsy account, go ahead and create one. After that, click on Sell on Etsy, then Get Started, and let's get going. You'll be asked a few questions that aren't too important, so just breeze through them. Next up, it's time to set up your shop. This is where things get interesting. You'll need to choose your shop's language and country. When it comes to the shop name, I ran into an issue because someone else had already taken the name I wanted. So I added .com at the end like a pro domain. And why not? After a few sales, we'll be building the website for this brand anyway. They'll also ask for some basic listing info, like the type of items and who made them. You can just copy mine. Now, you'll be prompted to add your first listing, but don't upload your art yet. Just type in something for now. Once they accept your shop, you can delete that placeholder and add your real listing. Now it's time to set up your payment information. Simply add your details, hit save and continue. After that, they'll ask to verify your identity. Just submit your ID and you're all set. Your shop will go into review. After 12 hours, I got an email saying my identity has been verified. So I added a logo and a banner, which I created in minutes using Canva's ready-made templates. And I also wrote a short description generated by ChatGPT. And just like that, our shop is ready to start selling. Click on Create a New Listing. Normally, you'll pay 20 cents for each listing, but if you use the link in my bio, you'll get 39 free listings, more than enough to start generating sales. Now click on Add Listing. This is the important step to rank your item in search results. Search for a relevant keyword and choose the best-selling one. Copy the title, then ask ChatGPT to create a similar one for your product. This will help your listing rank higher. Do the same thing for the description. Next, upload the image of your art. For digital files, don't upload the image directly. That's not professional. Instead, upload it to Google Drive and add the link to this PDF. You will find it in the description. For pricing, start at $2.99, and after a few sales, increase it to $4 or $6. For quantity, just put the maximum number available. And for tags, ask ChatGPT to generate good tags to help with ranking. Once you're ready, just click Publish and your listing will go live. I repeat this process for all 10 art pieces. Now, let's see how to speed up the time to your first sale. Yes, Etsy has a large audience, but that doesn't mean we won't promote our art on other websites. The key to making our shop rank higher in search results is getting that first sale. And the best way to find free traffic is through Facebook groups. Search for 2 keywords, art and Halloween. You'll find plenty of groups, but make sure to join only those with 10+ posts per day because they're the most active. Now, for the post, just copy mine and start sharing it in all those groups. If you can, post from the same brand profile. This will help drive your first sale. After that, it's just a matter of time before you start seeing more sales roll in. If you've made it this far, that means you're serious about learning how to make money with AI. So you're already ahead of most people, but we're just getting started.